How to delete your Fantasy Premier League account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and now in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Now, once you are in your Fantasy Premier League page, make sure that you are signed in with the account that you want to delete, and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for My PL settings. So tap on it, and now in the interface that you will be led to, on the left side toolbar you will see the option for Manage Account. So tap on the Manage Account option you see there and scroll down and you will see the option for Delete Account. So tap on the Delete Account option you see there and then tap on the Continue option and then tap on Confirm. With this, you will be required to simply wait for 21 days and your account will be deleted within 21 days. So this was about how you can delete your Fantasy Premier League account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.